For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Wilde Trail flashlight. So let's go ahead and unbox it first, and then after that, as usual, we'll get into some tech specs. So here we have, this is a converter, more or less, that you can use AAA batteries, and it's cool. They actually include the batteries. There's the charger cable, USB-A to USB-C, and then there's the actual flashlight. It's aluminum, and we'll get into the tech specs again later. I just want to show you the unboxing. So we unscrew, there's the battery. I prefer that. I suggest using that. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery, so it's a lot more powerful than the 3 AAAs. It'll give you a lot more power, and they're rechargeable. So, for example, I'm using a Samsung S26 Ultra, and I have a 5,000 milliamp battery in my phone, so it's that powerful. So, and there's rubber grommets, of course, on all of it, so it is waterproof. We have a nice little lanyard. I love lanyards. And we have 2 buttons. One turns it on at the side, and then it'll give you a percentage of the battery, which is also nice to have. And then you push it again, it'll toggle through all the different settings, so it's bright, less bright, red, flashing. And then there's our main light, secondary. You can focus the light too, which is nice. You can make it a flood or a focus type light. And that's basically the unboxing. So let's get into some nitty-gritty here and talk about this. So this is a 2-hour rapid recharge, 3-in-1 versatile illumination. It's a actual 1000 lumens, so it's a certified 1000 lumen output. So it's not like all these exaggerated 90,000 lumen toys that are on the internet. It's an actual 100% 1000 lumens. It's certified, in fact. With a high density beam reaching up to 1000 feet, our high efficiency driver prevents rapid dimming, providing steady, reliable versatility for dog walking, home safety, etc. Has smart monitoring, a 1 to 100% digital display, and fast charging eliminate battery anxiety with a crystal clear digital display showing the exact 1 to 100% power levels. Optimized for daily efficiency, the 5000 milliamp battery supports Type-C fast charging and features an emergency USB output to give your phone a critical boost during power outages, so you can use it as a portable charger. Smart UI and instant off, frustration-free control design for real-world use. Our signature Smart UI eliminates the need to cycle through 5 modes just to turn the light off. Simply long press for 2 seconds for the instant one-click off. So, as I showed you in the beginning, each time I pushed the button went to a different mode, and instead of having to cycle through all those modes to get to off, I could have just held the button and it would have turned off. So pretty simple. It's perfect everyday carry solution for those who value intrusive operations. Substantial all metal build, rugged durability over plastic. We don't do flimsy, crafted from high density aero grade aluminum. The flashlight has a substantial professional feel that cheap plastic lights lack. It's shockproof, IPX4 waterproof, and built to survive accidental drops. Magnetic base, which is nice. I didn't display that, but the base is magnetic, so you can put it on anything metal and hold it in place. So that's my video. I hope you found it to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.